Okay, the day I've been dreading. I'm coming over here to look at the damage. Oops. Alright. Trying to hold a cup of coffee too, so that ain't working out so well. Set the coffee right there. I'm gonna try to open the door. Oh, it wasn't locked. Okay. So far, so good. Not too bad. What is that? Is that I don't know what that is. I'll figure that out later. My chair's still here. I'm gonna open up the windows. Not too bad, not too bad. Turn on a little music. See if Bobby's got the electricity still on it. How you turn it on? Right here. Yep. Okay. Got a little music going on. That's gonna need cleaning. Ooh. Got a little bit of, looks like probably, it's probably dirt with moisture. I don't think it's mold. I think it's just, it could be some mold in it. I don't know. All that's got to be cleaned out. Of course, it's, what the world? Where's the lights at? Guess they burned out, but I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Just a little trashy down there. Oh no, it doesn't let that. I'll get that off. A little dirty, 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 dirty. I don't know what all that is. Ooh, I'm scared to open this. Looks like it's froze up. Can you see that? That's ice. Probably need to cut it off. I'm gonna cut it off and we'll prop these open and let them